Hey everyone, my name is Deja. Welcome to my channel that is based on DIY projects about planning, organizing, cooking, and home decor while saving you more money. Also, if you are new, welcome. And if you would like to join my channel, just hit that red subscribe button and also hit notification bell. So this is what we're gonna be spray painting. I had made it in a DIY that I made like years ago. I meant to spray paint it, so yeah. And I'm gonna be spray painting because this looks a hot mess and it's for Halloween. But either way, I'm gonna be spray painting. And then that one is as well. I just had another one. It just broke, guys. Like it was pretty. It was orange color. I'm spray painting a little bit of it. And then it broke, and it was cheap. I got it at TJ Maxx for like literally $4.99. So now I'm gonna go back to TJ Maxx. Hopefully I got one and see how it works out. But I'm gonna be going shopping next week anyway, so I'm gonna just film a little pumpkin and call it a day, and not be stressed about it because, like I said, I'm gonna be out next week anyway. So I'll find something then that is in the price range that I got for that other one that just broke a few minutes ago. So, like, people, really be careful with your items when you're about to spray paint. Just grab everything in a little bucket or a bin. Grab it all together and then place it how you want it on here. You know what I'm just saying? Just so that way you won't break your item or you won't tear it apart. I'm just saying, just be careful with your things. Lucky like me, I did. That's spray painting. But I'm going to be going all this in white. So this is my choice of everything because everything goes in my color scheme, which is white. I see the blue kind of teal color and mint green. So yes, what I'm going with. So let's get to spray painting. This is my first time doing this, so hopefully this turns out great. So this is the before. I basically spray painted it all in white. So let's get into it.